it's okay. I hope I don't get tipsy because I like it. Oh, guys, it's getting hot here. Ish. This book ain't helping. Because it's a very cold book, a cold story, and it's not helping me. So, I think I should loosen up. Whoa. I didn't mean this. Whoa. Much better. So welcome to my channel, people. It's Samir's Journey. In this video, I'm going to be trying out some local Zambian drinks. They are traditional ones. So let's get into it. So it's the first one I'm going to try. Chibwantu. It's my first time going to try this one. So the first thing that you have to do whenever you buy a traditional Zambian drink is you shake it. It activates all the nutrients and all the flavors in it. Yes, I'm not sponsored. So it's sealed. It has to be sealed, that's when you know it's good. It hasn't been tampered with. Okay. It's my first time having it. Looks murky. So it's made out of corn with some other stuff. Does this sound like taste? Or some twist up like reminds me of bubble milk tea. The chewy stuff, some chewy stuff in it. Or some milk in it too. Yeah. It's a bit like sourish, but it's good. I like it. It's not horrible. I think it's my last time going to have it. I want fun of its taste and its flavor. Last time I'm having this stuff. Okay, not so bad. I think you have to take time for it to get used to the flavor and like it, but I'm not having it again. Okay. Okay, got some twist stuff. Makes it more interesting. The twist stuff is like pieces of corn like grits. Yeah. And this is the next one I'm going to have. This one is my favorite. So it's Maheu. It's also corn maize drink. Yeah, this is like strawberry flavor, but I think banana flavor is the best. Yeah, so first you have to shake. So you activate the nutrients when you open it. You gotta make sure it's got the covering, because if you didn't have, you might have been sold something else. You don't know what people do these days. Okay. This is it, also like white, milky, creamy, juicy. This is the best. I love this. You taste the corn, it's just good properly, it's nice. By the way, I'm not sponsored by any of them, but I just love this product. I like this product. This is the best. I was actually addicted to this. Wait, it's supposed to be this. Oh, on the floor. Yeah. I actually got addicted to this drink some months back. It's just lovely. corn drink. It's the best. There are other brands that also make this one, but if you're gonna buy it, buy this one. This is the best. Super Maheu. It's the best. It has tastes like crap. Trust me, this one is the best one. It's the best one. And this is the next one. This is called Munkoyo. So it's not made out of corn, but they have this special flavor they add to it. Munkoyo. It's some root they add to it when they're boiling it and making this. So yeah, it also looks a bit like this. A local brew. A lot of local beers and alcohols that look like this, but I think when this goes bad, it turns to alcohol. Well, you can get tipsy. I just hope it's not expired. Is it expired? Oh, I'm lucky. It's expired in December. So let's try it. Remember, always shake. Okay. I think it's good. It was made last month, so I think it's still okay. It smells funny. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's like brown. Looks like that opaque beer people drink. Okay. Here. Okay, the smell. I think it's the root. It is special root they add to it that gives this, so I think it's called the smell. Yeah, that's okay. I hope I don't get tipsy because I like it. It's alright actually. Well, actually I like this one better than the Chibwantu, like the first one I had. I like this one better. But it still has this sour like taste and still nice, and this like smoky flavor to it. This one, smoky flavor. I kind of like this one. Is one of the. I think I'll take it like second from the other one. Although the smell is like a bit off. Tasty. This one is not bad. I think it has a funny smell and tastes okay, but I don't know. This one, I've had it before, right? But the smell wasn't as like strong as this one. This strong is a bit must be going bad. Because maybe it's because of this podcast that we have sometimes. So maybe while it was in the store, the fridge went off. Then it did like getting a bit funky, but it has a funky smell. But it tastes alright and it's good. Yeah, so these are 3 of the commonest ones. I'm going to do another one for the drinks also when I find some more. There's one I was looking for, I was supposed to add this video, but they didn't have it, so I'll put it in the next video. Yeah. So if I'm going to talk about the best, to me it has to be this one. I love this drink. It's an energy drink. This is just carbs, yo. All of these have corn in them. They're all corn drinks. But this one has to be the best one. Super Maheu. If you're going to come to Zambia, if you're in Zambia, you want to know the best, if you're trying to look for the best one, it's this one, Super Maheu. It's the best. Not these other ones. No. Just get this one. If you're looking for the best corn drink, buy this one. Even though there are some others that may look like, you just look for Super Maheu. This is the original one. This is like the first one, like from the golden days. They just changed the bottle. But this is the golden one. It tastes like heaven. It's heaven in a bottle. Yeah, so if you're buying this one, buy this one. And if you're going for the other two, take this one, not this one. Yeah. That's enough for this video, folks. Yeah, and I'm stuffed. I've had too much corn juice or corn beverages in my tummy now. Anyway, thanks for sharing this video, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace. orgasmic.
Got like grits in it.